Okay, why is it not focused? Come on, dude. Stupid camera.
Call from Sunridge Train. Call from Sunridge Train. Call from Sunridge Train.
Hello, you have reached the number of Medina Studios. We are unable to take your call right now. Please leave your message after the beep, and we'll give you a call back momentarily. Thank you.
Hello, boy. I am leaving you a message on your AT&T TL96456 cordless telephone with a big speakerphone and with 4 handsets and with 3 cradles. That telephone is actually a pretty good telephone. It's with Bluetooth, and yeah, I really kind of like that telephone because it is a good quality. I really love the bass because the bass has a screen in it. I love when the bass has a screen in it. Why? Because you can activate the bass with the screen and the buttons. So yeah, the TL96456 is actually a nice phone, and it is cheap if you get it online. It's like 40 to 50 bucks for the set. But yeah, I'll probably get one pretty soon if I get landline again. That would be nice if I got that landline phone. Yeah, again, I'm leaving you a message on your AT&T TL96456 telephone. And yeah, again, it's a good quality phone. And yeah, you can dial the extension numbers with your normal phone line. So yeah. So yeah, I love that telephone. The speaker quality is very good. I listened to some of your videos from your TL96456, and they're actually pretty good. If I actually get it, that would be so nice. And I'll definitely connect my phone into Bluetooth with that set, and I'll probably wing it off the hook. Like, I'll probably wing it so much that I can't stop winging it.
Anyway, it's coming from
again,
the AT&T
I'm
case.
going to stop this recording so you can post this. Again, this is a message on the AT&T TL96456. Thank you, and have a good day.
Shout out to Other G Train for leaving me a message on my AT&T phone. Thank y'all for watching.